Hi guys, we're at High Street. And we got a train coming. Alright, High Street's activated. And the gates are going down. Just stay there.
Nick?
What? Hold on. Sounds like it's Union Pacific! 72! 35! What? 25! Keep waving! Gave us a little horse show! We're going 5382 second locomotive!
Nick, look! Look!
I know, your case is the same color as mine. And it's the coal train! Yeah! Oh yeah!
Is our phones even the same size?
Okay, Jason, stop. You're gonna mess up my video. Yeah.
Oh my god!
Okay, you record the train, I record. We can get them up on our channels. Love that horn! Union Pacific! Not a Union Pacific coal car.
What's your name? Mine is a Samsung Galaxy A03s.
Mine is a Samsung Galaxy A35. I'll have to check after the video. Oh, jeez. Is it gonna
Oh
blow
my
the horn?
god!
I don't even hear it blowing the horn at Grand Avenue. Oh, there it goes. There it goes, blowing the horn at Grand Avenue.
Yours is not an S, isn't it?
Mine's is a Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Hey, it picked up. It's not going slow. Keeping a good speed. Okay, stay back some.
Look what I got as my wallpaper.
I see. Thought we had a train coming. This is for you, Thailand.
Is your contacts the same way as this?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god.
Okay, Jason. Go one way or the other, please. I'm trying to film it and you're like getting in the way. Just one car. Just that green Subaru car. I can't tell if this is loaded or empty. It doesn't look like it's loaded. Looks like it's an empty coal train. Get your camera going. If you want.
Oh, snap.
Okay. Hurry, if you get it going, you might be a help. You could probably help me catch the end. You think that car's gonna back up and turn around because they don't want to wait no more? We'll find out. Next time, I wonder what would happen if someone threw that bottle on the as it was going. Like,
Oh god. Want to test it?
Not while I was moving like this. It would probably just crush it. Cause like if I would put my phone up there, it would be done for. And I don't want to do that. Don't see the end yet. Let me know once your camera's going. You start talking once your camera goes. Trying to get modified a bit.
That's weird.
See, it's so long, I don't My car came up there crossing. It's waiting.
I think me and your case are brothers or something.
I think
mine and
so.
Your case are.
I think so. I don't know.
Would that be insane if mine
Yeah.
and your case are?
My
Oh
car
my
changed
God.
its mind and backed up. Oh. No, he was driving the speed. He changed his mind and didn't want to turn. He wanted to get behind the car instead and get behind the other car now. Come on, turn. Go by quicker, please. Wish they could go like really, really. Yes. Bump, 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 bump. Another car. Another one.
Me and your phone might be actually the same phone, but a different version.
Yeah, mine's is the A35. Say, Ken.
Mine is the 03.
Yeah, I don't know what. Mine just says Samsung Galaxy A35. But I got this Spectrum from my phone company. Look at that, Cricket. Yeah, I don't got Cricket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. 5 cars are waiting at the crossing for the train. See?
Nice.
Yeah, dang, son. Lower this so I can hear the train more, please. If you keep the music going, just go over this then, Jason. Don't see the end yet, do you? Safe and make up your mind. Yeah! Eee! Ow, my eardrum! Ah, that's better. Okay. Still don't see the end yet. Oh, geez. Okay, Jason, there. Alright, Jason.
Can you tell I'm on volume booster?
Yeah. Okay. But I'm kind of trying to hear the train. I don't even see the end yet.
Hey, what?
There is long. It's long. Very long. Oh my god. This is going up on my channel for sure.
Yours, anyways.
Yeah. But you know me, I'll share it with you probably. Well, you're here right now, so.
Look,
I
the
see.
same button, same volume buttons.
Ah, Jason, here's the end. Here's the end, guys. Ooh, Union Pacific real locomotive. What number? That's it. Let's see. We got what number? Something. Well, that really. We got 8210 Union Pacific real locomotive. 8210. Nice. Bye, Union Pacific. There's the end. Has the front headlight on dim there. Okay, let's watch the
Oh
game.
my god, that looks exactly like
All right,
Jerry
gates are going.
Suburban, but it's white.
All right, and
Is that kinda scary?